Okay, boys and girls, this is the Chevy Blazer high-tone horn hooked up to a converter. It's 110 volts to 12 volts, 1 amp DC, AC to DC converter, and I'm going to install this underneath our sink. I'm going to hook it up to the garbage disposal, so every time my dad turns on the, or whoever turns on the garbage disposal, this horn will honk. So here it goes. Okay, so here's the garbage disposal car horn. Here we go. Something wrong with the garbage disposal.
What?
It doesn't turn on. There's orange peelings in there.
What?
Did you flip the switch back before?
Yeah, it didn't do anything.
Huh. Is it plugged in?